Like he's a beautiful. Когда злишься, да? Блядь, что это такое?
Simona! Simona! Simona!
Coco.
This one.
Next one.
Bruh.
You are not behaving, so you need to lay down.
Oh my god. Tiếng tấn à.
Bigyan ako kagyan na, che.
Perro, hijo de puta! What are you doing?
Go
Don't let it hit the ground.
Don't let it hit it. Get it, Apollo.
No biting.
I love you, darling.
You just scratch your belly.
Czy ja jestem posłusznym psem? No w sumie to tak. Posłucham i mam to w dupie.
Why do you sit like that?
Cashew. Cashew.
Come.
You're wet. Get out, you silly pup.
Good double.
Cookie. Cookie, we're home. Did you have fun at the park?
I turn around, look what she is. You not coming? She said no. Oh man, it's so pretty.
Smile. Bigger. Big smile. Big smile. Big.
No, you can't bring that in the car.
No.
You can't. Henry. I can't hold with you.
This is what happens when the dog runs off. Has a lot of long hair on his neck. Twix, come here. Stop. Let's take a look at your neck.
Sit. No,
That's,
sit.
that's just lovely.
Get paw. Get paw. Give me paw.
Shake.
Somebody, anybody, everybody scream!
Whoa.
Do you want to come in? Do you want to come in? The door's open. Shh. Come on. For gosh sakes.
Stinky. Back here.
Масажист. Така любов. Лис.
Как Витас поет? Как Витас поет?
I've been a good boy. I've been a good boy, please. I've been such a good boy. Don't do it. Oh, got it with the left. Oh, he got it with the left. Get him.
Show me your bad dog. I don't want to see any of these like good boys and good girls sitting for a cookie. Show me that bad.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh. We've been trying to contact you regarding your car's extended warranty.
Sit. Paw. Good boy. Other paw. Other paw. Other paw. Oh.
What you got? You got little booties? Good girl.
It has lights on it. Oh my gosh, I think he just broke his neck.
Excuse me, sir? What are you doing?
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh. I think I like his little eye.
He took the cheese!
Kobe, speak. Speak. Kobe, speak. Say hi. Kobe, say hi. Oh.
I heard they were all about your personal space, but this is unreal. She has a whole seat with a blanket and a chew toy, and look where she's riding.
Great set. You want the window down a little bit?
I feel like that wasn't my best friend that night. It was the devil.
Figure, look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, would you look at that? Just look at it. Just look at it.
Yeah, well.
What the heck is that?
Oh, you growling at me? Don't show off.
Oh, God.
Come on, he's a boy. Come here, hon.
And you know you say, oh! If you're happy and you know you say, oh!
Aria.
¡Ah! ¡Ay, Miguel! ¡Miguel! ¡Hey!
Oh, shit.
Spin! Spin! Spin!
The wild beast. Wildlife photography can be a dangerous profession. Observe as this wild animal viciously turns on our filmmaker.
Oh, bear!
Did you see it?
There's
On the
after she
bottom.
vomited, so theoretically, if they vomit hard enough, they're gonna.
Whisper. 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 Whisper.
Si te sabes portar bien, nada más pórtate bien.
No puedo.
Another day, another victory for the OG, taking down the sweats, the imposters among us.
No, ya sí pasó lo que sí pasó lo que sabe. Sí, de vez.
Hi, Grandma. I play baseball.
Miko, get down.
It's too daddy. It's candy.
Better not turn the fucking tap on. Get down. Thank you.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh.
Hey!
Did he get you? Did he get you? It's okay. It's okay. When you feel sad, remember that you have me, okay? I may not be much, but at the end of the day, I will always be by your side.
Just enjoy the pool, bro? God.
Riley, if you don't throw that goddamn ball away. No.
You are annoying the crap out of me.
Wow!
I'm sorry. You can't have pizza. No. No. No pizza. No pizza.
Isabela, deja la gallina. Montana devagar, filha.
Light on. Good job. Come here.
All right, got her some more celery. Here you go, Mama. What was that? What was that?
Tú no le puedes evitar nada más con la misma mano. ¡Con mi mano! ¡Con mi mano!
Pues es que me desespera.
¡No, con mi mano!
The most dangerous animal on this planet. A violent creature filled with hateful thoughts and a lust for blood.
La gente de nuestra generación ya ha decidido tener cada vez menos hijos dentro del territorio nacional y son elementos preocupantes de aquí a las siguientes décadas importantes.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
What's the matter? You don't like my face mask.
I think every dog does that. Come here, Lucy. Lucy, come here.
Você tá aqui na adeguinha dos parceiros, certo? Beijo não, sabe? Ô, sabe? E aí, caramelo, sabe?
Charlie.
Quem rasgou a caminha? Fala pra mim. Quem rasgou a caminha? Senta. Senta. Quem rasgou a caminha, Meg? Quem rasgou a caminha, Meg?
¿Quién está ahí? ¿Quién anda ahí? ¿Dónde está? ¿Quién es? No, no, no.
One more.
you doing? What were you eating?
What are you doing? No, I'm gonna freak Arlo! I'm done. I'm done with you. I'm done with you.
Get it. Good boy, bring it in. Bring it. Come on. Come on.
Good girl. No. Good girl. You don't like your new life vest? Stand down.
¿A dónde vamos, Lodo? Vamos, vamos. El perrito se fue de casa.
Max? Max? Max, come here. Who did this? Who did this?
Get in the box. Go.
What are you doing? No! Guys, you've got... I can't go any lower because my dick's...
Lola. Can you speak? Can you bark? Say speak. Lola, speak. Lola. Baby, why can't you do
Azalea, get back in this yard.
¡Estos bacalaos! ¡Es el jefe!
Gracias por tu presentación, Carrarín, pero todos saben quién soy yo.
Did you eat this marker? Did you eat this marker? Then how come there's blue all over your hands? And your face? Did you eat it?
Oh my god! Shut up! No! No! Stop!
No, you're not. You're on a diet.
Come on, wanna go out? Up, up. There. Oh. Right, come here.